All right, so what are we talking about now? We are talking about this toner. You want to use a toner weekly. I don't use daily toners. I know some of them say use daily. I'm just not a fan. I'm more of a keep it simple, and you can jazz it up a little bit later. So the way I keep mine simple is I don't use toner daily. Again, if your cleansers say that you must use a toner daily after it, I honestly believe that is too harsh for your skin. Find another toner, another cleanser, and make sure that you're using a cleanser that is right for your skin type. And again, the way you find your skin type is to double cleanse, wash, rinse it off, wash, rinse it off. Wait about 20 to 25 minutes before you go look in the mirror. If your skin is more dry, you will see ashiness happening. And if your skin is more oily, you will see that radiant sheen as well. All right, so bada boom. All right. Okay, so we want to tone. So you can tone by applying, do a couple little spritz onto a cotton round and then just use it on your face that way. Or if it's a spritz, you can just directly get it onto your skin. I always tone. Anytime I exfoliate my skin, I always follow up with a toner. So scrub is a form of exfoliant, which is what we talked about last time. And right now we're talking about toner. And then of course, after I remove my mask, which is another form of exfoliant, I will also follow up with my toner. Okay? All right, so toner, I love Enzyme toner all day, every day. All day, every day. All right, because enzymes work like little Pac-Man. They're going around getting rid of dead skin cells. So if you're dealing with acne scars, ingrown hairs in the chin area, enzymes will become your BFF, my friend. So be sure to go ahead and get on that enzyme toner. And yeah, I do have some in my online store. If you are interested, you can visit www.shop.luxurylotusspa.com. Again, www.shop.luxurylotusspa.com, and just click the little shop button at the top to go to the store and get the toner that you want, or book a virtual facial with me where I will come on just like this, have a conversation with you face to face, walk you through step by step, give you all the deets, all the information you need to help you achieve your goal of clear, smooth, and even skin. A funny story, during chemo and radiation, I started breaking out like horribly, and I had some acne scars as well. And afterwards, I literally kept a very simple regimen, and all I did was incorporate my mask, and also like I cleanse and moisturize regularly and kept my skin protected. But I kept a simple regimen and it cleared my skin. If you visit luxurylotusspa.com/reviews, you'll see that before and after picture there as well. But yeah, man. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned at least one thing from today's video. Be sure to rate, comment, like, share this video, or heck, share the entire playlist with someone who would find it useful. It's just walking you through step by step what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Okay? All right. So, all right. Thanks again for tuning in, and stay tuned because next time we are talking about. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video today. I hope you learned at least one thing from the video. If you did, please be sure to comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Hey! And also join the Clear Skin Challenge. www.luxurylotusspa.com/Clear Skin Challenge. And also I've put together some videos along here for you just to kind of help you continue along your self-care journey, your clear skin journey. Talk to you very soon. Bye. Until next time, Esther the Esthetician out.